I'm making an editable retro text effect. First, I take my font is my company name, Logo River. You can take any kind of name. Now I'm going to change the font. I'm going to take Arial Black. It's looking good. Drag it to corner of artboard, and I'm going to appearance button to fill, changing the color to black. Now again I just add new fill, changing to orange, light orange. FX, Vision transform effect. I just take 60 copies of it. Now press OK. Again open new layer. I have to change the color to orange. It's deep orange. Now I have to transfer it to more 60 copies. Now press OK. After that I open a new layer. Now I'm going to change it to more deep orange. Now again I have to make more 60 copies. Now press Ctrl OK. Again I have to open new layer. You have to now again change it to blue, making some change on color, transfer it to more 60 copies. Now it's okay to 40. Now I'm changing the stroke white 1 pt, going FX, this is transform effect. Now it's -10 vertical. It's looking nice. Now press OK. That's all. I just made out this. If you like my videos, please subscribe and like my channel, like my